Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. So Micron just exposed the real cost of the AI boom. I think most investors are celebrating Micron earnings, but they are completely missing what this actually means for the entire AI market. What if I told you the AI boom is no longer just about demand? It is now about who pays the bill. Yes, when I first read the news, I did not think, whoa, Micron had some strong earnings. Honestly, that feels too simple for me. What actually really hit me was something deeper. We are now entering a phase where AI is no longer just a growth story. It is becoming a cost explosion story. Are you getting my point? And someone somewhere has to pay for it. Micron reported blowout earnings and raised guidance. Margins are exploding because AI memory demand is outpacing supply. But the key point is not just Micron's profit, it's that the entire AI ecosystem is now getting more expensive. Now, if I look at Micron from a technical perspective, so guys, if you see the Micron on a 1 day time frame, you can clearly see the overall structure is still bullish. The stock is moving inside a parallel upward channel, which tells me the trend is still intact even after strong volatility. Currently, price is trading above all the key exponential moving averages, which shows the buyers are still in control on a trend basis. If I break it down technically, price is holding above short-term and middle-term EMAs, which confirms the bullish structure. If you see the RSI here, it's around 60 to 65 range, which means momentum is strong, but not yet overbought. So, in my opinion, this is not a broken trend. It's more like a healthy continuation phase with volatility. Now, zooming out to the broader trend, so let's open the chart of S&P 500. Here you can see that it's trying to stabilize near 50 exponential moving average zone, which is a support zone, which tells me buyers are still defending dips. And if you see here the Nasdaq, in my view, it's trying to break through key resistance level around recent highs while also try to consolidate below 50 exponential moving average, and the current support is at 25,000 area. So overall market structure still support risk on behavior, but if we can say that, but it's not a straight line rally anymore. It's becoming selective, and that's exactly where Micron fits in. Now, here's what I personally think is happening. Micron is not just benefiting from AI demand, it is benefiting from a bottleneck in the AI supply chain. And when supply gets tight, pricing power shifts. That's why Micron can report massive margins. But at the same time, Apple is raising prices. Cloud companies are increasing infrastructure spendings, and AI companies are facing rising costs. So the real question is not, is AI growing? The real question is, who is going to absorb the cost of AI growth? Because right now, I see three possibilities. Yes, either companies pass it to consumers, or they accept lower margins, or they try to justify it with productivity gain from AI. If this cycle continues, we could see something interesting. AI doesn't just becoming a tech revolution. It becomes a cost inflation cycle inside tech itself. And that changes everything because eventually investors will stop asking like who is growing faster, and they will start asking who can actually sustain this profit cycle. That's why I think Micron is important right now. Not because it's just a cheap company, but because it's sitting at the center of AI infrastructure pricing. And honestly, when I saw Apple raising price after this AI wave, it made me think something simple. Maybe AI is not becoming cheaper like everyone expected. Maybe it's actually becoming more expensive for everyone involved here. And that changes how I look at this entire sector. Now, I want to hear your opinion on this. So let's take an example. Suppose if you were the CEO of a big tech company right now, would you rather raise price on your products and risk losing customers, or absorb the cost and protect your user base but reduce profit margins? So, what you will do, tell me in the comments. And another question is, do you think AI will eventually make products cheaper through productivity, or do you think AI will eventually make everything more expensive first? And one more thing, guys, who do you think who wins this AI cost war? Nvidia, Micron, Apple, Microsoft, or the end customer who ultimately pays everything? Because, as per my opinion, we are not just watching an AI boom anymore. We are watching the pricing of the entire AI revolution unfold in real time. And the companies that survive this phase will be the one that understand who is really paying the bill. So that's it, guys. Hope you understand. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Happy trading.